Hi beauties, welcome back to HIKOCO's channel. In light of the current situation of COVID-19, masks are a must. If you put on your usual full-on makeup, your face mask will smudge out everything. Today, I will give you some tips on the how-to of a light makeup look that will stay put and not rub out, which also called a foundation-free makeup. Use a good moisturizer to hydrate your skin. For the base, I've chose the Heimish Artless Glow Base SPF 58+ PA+++, which will take care of hydration, tone up, and also sun protection. Little by little, use either a brush or the wet sponge to layer it 2 times. To lighten up the dull skin tone, it is important to have a perfect base since we are not going to apply any foundation. I'm using a concealer, Clio Cover Liquid Concealer number 3, which is close to my actual skin shade, to brighten up the dark spots on my face. Under eyes, around nose, just thinly apply it. If you want to perfectly cover acne scars or any spots, I would recommend finishing off with a stick type concealer. I've fallen in love with this Peripera V-shading contour. I will use it to clean up my nose bridge and my hairline. Next is setting powder. I've chose the Heimish Velvet Powder Pact. I don't normally enjoy using setting powders, but to fix the concealer tight, I will use this pressed powder pact. On the T-zone where it gets really oily and where the face mask will touch. And fixing spray. I've chose the Too Cool for School Perfect Day Makeup Fixer. I'll make sure my makeup stays in place. I will quickly go over the natural eye makeup. And finally, the lip makeup that will not get onto my mask. I've used a strong staining lip tint as a base. And dab it with the tissue. Then, apply a color of your pick. After that, cover your lips with the thin tissue. And with a loose brush, use some setting powder to go over the tissue. Then the powder will softly set on your lips to fix it tight naturally. And that's it for the mask on makeup. Plus, another tip for those who wear glasses. When you're wearing a face mask, your glasses tend to steam up. To avoid this embarrassing moment, all you need is a folded up tissue under the face mask wire. Easy, right? This was for all beauties who've been a star, staying home, stopping the spread. Being 100% makeup free during the lockdown, why not try a natural mask on makeup for a stroll around the park? Don't forget the 20-second hand wash before and after the trip. And don't forget to stay safe at home, if not for anything essential. I repeat, stay home and stay safe. We live by your like and subscribes. Bye beauties, let's be pretty!